Yeah.
MacBook Air and macOS design changes could be revealed during WWDC. The hype for WWDC is building up. Can you feel it, Will? Can you feel the build up?
In my loins? Sure.
I want to know where exactly you feel it.
My loins.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Good. We already know that Apple will most likely be revealing iOS 16 and macOS 13. However, what these major operating system updates include remains unclear for now. We've heard whispers about iOS 16 introducing some notable changes to the iPhone. These could include lock screen widget support, always on display, and a notification system overhaul, which I would love to see. Notifications is just one of the frustrating aspects of iOS to me. I don't know if my brain is broken because of Android notifications, and possibly it probably works in reverse where people are conditioned to iOS notifications, but I just can't. I always feel as though it's more cumbersome for me. Now, keep in mind, I get a lot of notification.
Yeah.
And it's just, it feels like extra taps for me dealing with the notification center on iOS. Anyway, it's not the end of the world. It's not like it's not like Mo where I wouldn't wake up in the morning without 120.
Without my 120.
120. No, 90 he doesn't get up for.
Yeah. He has standards.
Yeah.
It's Ultra Mo you're talking to.
Oh, yeah. According to a fresh report by Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, Apple could announce the M2 chip during WWDC 2022. Along with this SoC, the company could reveal the redesigned colorful MacBook Air that we've been hearing about for months. How colorful can it be? And what color do you want? I guess they could do like the iMac and have all these aluminum.
Anodized?
Yeah, you might be anodized.
Have they done it before?
With the laptops? Yeah, but like way
Rose gold.
back. Oh, rose gold for sure right now. But I mean, as far as having a whole lineup of colors, it would have been back in olden
days?
Before you were born.
Right, because I'm too young.
Too young, Mo. But this could be nice. I don't know what color you guys want to go for. Blue, pink, green. What's it going to be, guys? If you can't go with silver or space gray, what do you go with?
Green has been pretty popular lately, and I don't mind it.
The light green or the forest green?
I like the pastel green, but sometimes the forest, like the dark green, right? Like the new iPhone. Sometimes I've been like, oh, that kind of actually looks nice.
Oh, I don't think they'll do a forest. I think it's going to be more pastel like the iMac.
Yeah, I like the pastel green more anyway. So
Oh, okay.
yeah. That's what I
And
said.
you will?
Yeah, I think I'll take the green.
Oh,
Maybe a
good.
blue would be a close second.
Okay.
Willy Blue.
What about you?
Go to the iMac real quick. Let's just I just want to see what they offered up because it could kind of pull together the product lines.
Right, replicate them.
Just then, okay. So there was like an orange as well, like a
Oh, I don't mind
tangerine.
the red. Red looks kind of
Red they have fairly frequently, and then there's a violet, like a purplish.
You like the carousel?
I'm getting hypnotized right now. I'm just buying iMacs. I will take one of each. They have a way of making these things feel like candy, right? Just give me my Skittles real quick. No, it's not a computer you're spending thousands of dollars on. It's just a Skittle.
Right.
Trust me, you have it. You have the money. I like that. So this green here is almost teal on the back. That's pretty nice. Let me see the purple. And let me see the blue. Even that blue has a little green in it on the back side. Yeah, I'll probably do the blue.
We have the blue one.
Good.
Good. Yes.